For drilling rivet holes, use a spiral drill bit with a countersink and an adjustable collar. First, insert the countersink into the adjustable collar. To insert the spiral drill, loosen the screw on the collar. Insert the drill bit into the countersink up to the end of the flute. For correct chip removal, the spiral flute is adjusted to the recess on the collar of the countersink. Tighten the screw to secure the drill bit. To set the correct depth for the rivet hole, the countersink and the collar are aligned flush and fixed at the side with the screw. A test hole should be drilled. The drilling depth can be controlled with a rivet. The rivet countersink is now ready for use.